Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix weak cellular signals on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, if you're using iOS 17 and you're facing an issue of weak cellular signals on your iPhone and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, our step number 1 is restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your iPhone can help refresh its connectivity issue. So you have to simply open your settings, tap on general, then scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple often release updates that include bug fixes and improvement which may address connectivity issues. So you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is toggle your airplane mode on and off. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again. This action can reset your phone's connections to the cellular network. To do this, you have to simply go to your control center. And from here you can enable your aeroplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. After trying these 4 steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. This will reset your all network related settings to their default values. To do this you have to simply open your settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.